Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul for the week of June 28th through July 4th. Now today was actually, it was one of them days, you guys, where things wasn't just happening. It wasn't happening the way you planned. Between myself, points, not receiving points, as well as not receiving registry rewards, like registry rewards not printing, it was a little hectic, but however, there's still plenty of things to be happy about. I'm still blessed. So I'm still going to bring you guys this video and tell you guys what I did. Not to mention, I will also be announcing the two winners for the giveaway. The first winner receiving that $50 Visa gift card, as well as the second prize winner receiving that $25 gift card. So first and foremost, I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support and just everything that you guys have done for me, because I love you guys. I really do. So this will be the first haul of the week from Walgreens. I think I'm going to do another one later down the line. And you guys, Tuesday is also my anniversary. Yes, my husband and I, it'll be 4 years. But let's get into this haul. Now for my first transaction, I picked up some Pampered Diapers. 3 packs of them. Now I was under the impression that they were still priced at 2 for $18 instead of the actual price, which were 2 for $20 or $10 each. Now I did have a booster. I had this spend $30, receive 6,000 point booster. However, I left it home. Yeah, I know. But since I was trying to spend $30 and I thought that my 3 diapers were just $27, I also added another item to reach my $30 threshold. So to include into this transaction, I also picked up the Poised Liners, which are priced at $5.99 this week. There's a $2 off store coupon that you can find in the booklet, as well as a $3 off digital, making these just 99 cents. So my thought process was, okay, all 3 of these were $32.99. After that store coupon, it would have dropped it down to $30. So I would have been able to use my booster, as well as the 6,000 points for picking up 3, as well as that 5,000 point booster. That's why I hate when the stores are not tagged. They were still tagged from last week. So picking up these, they were 2 for $20, so 3 was $30. I didn't even need, and I left my booster at home. So my total came out to $35.99. After that store coupon, as well as the $3 off Poise and the $6 off of 3 diapers, it brought my total to $24.99. And I also wanted to see if I had the cashier scan the barcode for the spin booster, if they would have stacked with my digital. They didn't, so I only received 11,000 points, 5 for spending 25, as well as the 6,000 for the diapers, making everything $13.99, or about $3.50 each. If I would have remembered that booster, it would have made everything about $1.99 each, which is a really, really good deal. So I mean, that's how I started this week off. For the first giveaway winner, the winner who is winning the $50 Visa gift card is Deanna Exner. She said, I love your haul breakdowns. I'm a new mama, so I would love to see hauls involving baby-related items. Congratulations, Deanna. Make sure you email me, and it's down in the description box. Now, I had to go to another store because the first store didn't have anything. And then I went to the next store, you guys, and absolutely nothing was tagged. So this is where the problems really, really began. So the first thing I picked up were these 2 Old Spice. So the Old Spice and the Secret Deodorant is on sale 2 for $10. And when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. So my store wasn't tagged, so I wasn't exactly sure if these were a part of the deal. So I picked up 2 of them. I was going to try it out by themselves, so that way I know moving forward. So I picked up 2 of them. They did ring up 2 for $10. And we do have those BOGO coupons that came out in today's inserts. When you buy 1 of the Old Spice or the Secret Spray deodorant, and you get 1 free. So I had one of those. I used one of those, and it would not scan for anything. So then the manager came up to try to input it in herself. So this is the coupon right here, the buy 1 get 1 free for the Old Spice. Like I said, it would not scan. So then the manager manually put this coupon in. So when she did, it came, the total $5.99 came off. But another coupon that also came off as well was my $4 digital coupon for the Old Spice. It did attach. So I only paid 1 cent, and then I didn't get a registry reward, but I did submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2.50. So here's my receipt right here. You see the 2 Old Spice, 2 for $10. You see that $4 digital coupon, as well as that $5.99 paper coupon, which was the BOGO. So my subtotal was just 1 penny. I paid that, and then Ibotta has the Old Spice spray deodorant, a rebate for $1.25 each. I submitted for 2, so I got back $2.50, which made this free plus $2.49 moneymaker. So even though my registry reward didn't print, I take it as that $4 digital coming off as my registry reward. And I didn't get a registry reward. The manager didn't know because the store wasn't tagged, and based off of the ad, since it wasn't a picture and it said select varieties, she said that this was not a part of the deal. I later found out that the reason why it didn't print was because her Catalina machine was broken, but yeah. So for my next transaction, I did some laundry, some deodorant, as well as a baby item. This baby item I really just needed. So I wanted to do the deodorant deal again. However, my $4 coupon for the Old Spice was used in the previous transaction. So instead, I decided to pick up the Secret. So it's on the same promotion. They're 2 for $10. When you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. So I picked up these 2 right here. I had a $4 off coupon, bringing them down to just $6. And then I did get back a $4 registry reward, making them $2 or $1 each, which isn't a bad deal, you know, bringing down from, since they're usually $6. So that's a good deal. And also remember, you guys, you can use points for that deal. So even if you have some points, you can roll 5,000 points into that and get back a $4 registry reward. So just a heads up on that, spend 5,000 points and then just pay the $1 plus tax and then get back the $4 registry reward. So I also picked up this Baby Dove body wash, the Dermacare, because my son does have eczema. This was priced at $9.99, and I just had a $3 registry reward, making it $6.99. Then I did the laundry deal. They are on sale for $4.99 each. When you buy 3, you get back a $5 registry reward. So I picked up 2 of the Tide Pods and a Tide Liquid. I had a $2 off digital on the Tide Pods, a $2 off digital on the Liquid, as well as a $2 off on the Tide Pods, the paper coupon. So that brought my total down to $8.97. I got back a $5 registry reward, making all 3 products $3.97, or about $1.32 each. So for everything, my total came out to $34.96. After all my coupons, as well as that $3 registry reward, it brought my total down to $21.96. And I did get back a $5 registry reward for the Tide and a $4 registry reward for the Secret, making everything $12.96, or about $2.59 each. Now, I did use points, so I used 20,000 points, and I only paid the $1.96 plus tax. And now I'm just showing you guys my receipt. So you see all of the Tides priced at $4.99 each. You see the 2 Secrets priced at $5 each, or 2 for $10. The Dove baby wash, the baby body wash, $9.99. So you see it says a $2 off Secret. That was actually that paper coupon. Of course, you guys know that Walgreens love to put the wrong name of a coupon. But these are all of my digitals, paper, and $3 registry reward, $21.96. So plus tax, it came out to $24.41. I used 20,000 points, and I paid the $4.41 out of pocket. And now for the second winner of the giveaway, the winner who is receiving that $25 Visa gift card is Cheryl's Life and Hauls. She said, I just found your channel. I love it so far. Would love to see food saving videos. Way to go on making it to 1K. I would love to win. It would sure help. Well, congratulations, Miss Cheryl. You are the winner. So thank you so much for your love and support. And I am just happy to just be a blessing. You guys have surely been a blessing to me. So everybody, congratulate the winners in the comments. Remember, winners, you have 3 days to contact me. My email is in the description box. And thank you everyone for participating. For my final haul today at Walgreens, I picked up some Kellogg's cereal, as well as I did that Skintimate razor deal. So for the Skintimate razors, they are priced 2 for $14, and when you spend $25, you get 8,000 points. So I picked up 4 of them, which totaled out to $28. I had a 7 off of 2 Schick razor coupon, as well as I used that $4 off registry reward and that $5 registry reward from the previous transaction. We brought it down to $12, and you get back the 8,000 points for the deal, as well as the 5,000 points, because I am spending over $25, so that booster would also attach, which is a total of $13, making it free plus a $1 moneymaker. So to lower my out-of-pocket, I wanted to use some register rewards. I had 2 $3 register rewards from the previous from last week. So what I did was I decided to pick up 2 of the Kellogg's cereals, the Frosted Flakes. They are on sale this week for $1.88. So 2 of them totaled out to $3.76, and I had 2 $3 rest rewards, which made them free plus $2.24. And then Ibotta is giving back 50 cents for each one, which is another $1, totaling out free plus $3.24 for the cereal. So for my whole transaction, it was $31.76. After that, $7 off of 2 digital, as well as a total of $15 in register rewards, that brought my total down to $9.76. I did get back the 8,000. Well, I was supposed to get back the 8,000 points, the 5,000 points, and the $1 from Ibotta, making it free plus a $4.24 moneymaker. But guess what, you guys? My 8,000 points, I did not get them. And the reason being is because they rung up for buy one, get one 50% off. And I should have known something was up, because the cashier, when I tried to use the booster, the cashier said that I was under the $25 threshold, and I had to add this piece of candy to knock me over the $25 threshold. So I was wondering why, and that is the reason. It's because they rang up buy one get one 50% off. So 2 of them rang up for $7, and the other ones rang up for $3.50. So I did not get my 8,000 points. I tried customer service. They had me on hold for literally, it feels like a day, and they were not helpful whatsoever, because they said that I didn't spend the $25, but that wasn't my fault. So I'm going to show you the receipt now. So you see the Schick razors, they're showing buy one at $7, the other one 50% at $3.50, and so on and so forth. But it's not tagged buy one get one 50% in the ad, nor was it tagged in the store. So I'm going to call again to try to get my 8,000 points, because that was not my fault. Picking up 4 clearly knocked me over the $25 mark. But I don't know, but I'm definitely going to call back. But I did submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I did get back the $1. So that's good right there. So after all of the registry rewards, and that 7 off of 2 didn't come off as well. So just issues after issues. My subtotal came out to $11.15. I did use 10,000 points, and then I paid the $1.15 plus tax. And then I'm just going to show you guys my point section. So for points, I only received those 5,000 points instead of the 8,000. So like I said, I'm going to call them again tomorrow to try to see if they can do something about that, because like I said, that was not my fault. So you guys, that completes my Walgreens haul for today. I'm sorry. I know that it was all over the place. This was definitely not one of my greatest hauls, but I mean, it just seems like lately I've just been having a lot of issues with some of my deals. But I still wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys my mistakes, so hopefully you guys can learn from them, as well as I also had to announce the winners. Everybody, please congratulate the winners in the comment section below. If you didn't win, don't worry, because I want to keep doing this. I want this to continue as long as you guys keep supporting me. I want to do giveaways and give you guys gifts to show my appreciation. So don't worry if you didn't win, because believe me, we have a lot in store, and I'm so glad to just bring you guys along the way. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell down below. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. I love you guys, and until the next time, you guys, bye.